Okay, continuing with my bike example, I'm going to go through a simple example of materials variance and labor variance. So again, we'll have the same information regarding monthly sales, fixed cost, retail price of the bike, again, which we don't care about, the price that we charge the bike shops, which is $1,000, and then our variable cost per bike is $600. So for this example, we're going to break this variable cost down to material cost per bike, which is $500, and labor cost per bike, which is $100 per bike, and labor hours, which is $2. 2 hours per bike. Okay, so we're going to focus on the material cost and the labor cost to calculate these variances. So what we want to do is figure out what the standard cost is, and then what's the flexible cost, and then what's given here is the actual production of units for the month, the actual materials cost for the month, and the actual labor cost for the month of $46,000. Okay, so to get my standard material cost, I'll just take the number of bikes per month that should be produced times the material cost. So it's 250,000. Then you get the labor cost, that's just the number of bikes times the labor per bike, which is $100. Okay, so we had $300,000 total. Now, based upon what we actually produce, our budget should vary slightly. Okay, so if I produce only 475 bikes, then my material cost should be $237,500, and then my labor costs should be $47,500. And you see here we have differences. Okay, so again, the quantity variance, if we take here the material cost, the standard cost, we take the difference of the material cost, we have a positive or favorable variance. Okay, and if we see the actual cost, again, what it should cost based upon the flexible budget, and we take the difference of what the material costs actually were, it's negative, so it's unfavorable. So my overall spending variance is negative by $5,000. Okay, unfavorable. And then if we look at labor, we can do the same thing. So we take the standard labor cost, we take the difference based upon the output of 475 bikes, so we have $2,500. Okay, again, this is favorable. Now we take the flexible labor cost, we take the difference of the actual labor cost of $46,000, and so again, it's positive, so that's favorable. For my overall spending variance for labor is positive. Okay, so that's for $1,000. But if we take the two together, we have negative $5,000 and positive $4,000. So my overall variance is negative or unfavorable by $1,000. Okay, and that's basics of the spending variances. And then you can also do this by using the labor hours, but I won't get into that example here. And that's it.